guys, welcome to our final episode of our feature build project, where we totally transformed the Polaris Ace 900XC. In this episode, we will be installing from the company PRP Seats, a custom seat, harness, and door bags. Also, we'll be installing some awesome rims and tires from Wheel Pros. So let's get to it. From PRP Seats, we installed 3 different products. First product, door bags. Door bags is made up of a storage compartment and a knee protector. As far as installation, simply bolts onto the door, very simple, installed in less than 5 minutes. Next up, we install the security harness. A very simple installation. The harness is fully adjustable and provides you with that extra level of safety that you're looking for out on the trail. Seat-wise, we installed the GT-SE suspension seat. The seat is available in various colors. PRP also included our Raven Media logo on it for us, and that option is available right through their website. The seat is not only comfortable, but it looks great. Installs in less than 5 minutes also using the previous seat's hardware. We just completed the installation of our tires and rims. For the tire, we wanted a good all-in-one tire, a tire that can perform well in various trail conditions. For this, we turned to EFX tires with their line of Moto MTC tires. The tires are mounted on KMC wheels, XD Series Edition. They not only look great, but provide that extra aggressive styling that we were looking for. This concludes our featured build project for this year, where we transformed this Polaris Ace 900XC. It was a great experience. We had a lot of fun putting this unit together. We'd like to thank all our partners involved. I hope you like it as much as we do, and we'll see you next year.